Hey everybody, just want to go through this site with you guys real quick. I took all of the information on that coffee page that I had made that was multiple pages and just started a new site and chose new background images. I did a fixed width so I could do this cool scrolling techniques on everything. And it all works really well as just one long scroll page. You can see I have the blog here, and if you scroll outside the blog, it just scrolls over the top of the background image. But if you scroll inside the blog, it works. You can scroll all the way down through it, take the mouse back outside, scroll back through the page. These are YouTube videos that pop up over the top of the site. They both work. Scrolling down, I have the map that's interactive. It should go to wherever location you are. I haven't tested that outside of that. The only thing that I can't get to work with this, and other than it being a little jumpy right now, is this area that says chat with us on Twitter. And I've messed with this as many different ways as I can mess with it. And if you look at, if I go back to Muse, if you look at the page, that code is on here and it works. And I just can't figure out why. I checked the layers. It's on the very top layer. It works on the other site that I did, but it just won't work. I can't get it to render it properly. And I've uploaded it about 10 different ways, 10 different times. I just still can't get it to load. But everything else is working. And it's a really cool effect. If I scroll too fast, it kind of jumps around a little bit. It's not super smooth, which I wish it was a little smoother. I'm not sure how to get it to smooth out. But if you don't scroll super fast, it works nice. The biggest issue that I had was getting it to be responsive. So I had to actually create new breakpoints for each one because none of this stuff can scroll or can be resized to the browser width. Everything has to be fixed for the scrolling technique to still work. So I had to make breakpoints for everything to get it to work as I sized it down. But like I said, the only thing that I can't get to work is this Twitter HTML. And if you look at the HTML, it looks like it's coded properly, and it does work on the old site that I did, the exact same HTML code. Why it won't work on this one, I have no idea. But I've played around with it now for about 45 minutes, and since this isn't my my final site, it's just kind of the working with parallax scrolling for the first time. I didn't figure that it was that big of an issue, but I did put all of the other things that were required on there. I still have the little clock here that works, and like I said, overall it came out really nice. The biggest issue that I had getting it started was making sure that all of these breakpoints were fixed, and then making sure when I created the images, I couldn't get it to, you can't just paste an image on here. I had to go in and add a frame, and then select the frame, and then fill it with whatever image you want, and then go to the scrolling, turn the motion on, and then play around with the motion from there. So that was how I got that to work. Other than that, it all, like I said, it all came out pretty good, and I look forward to any of your guys' feedback on the site. Thanks a lot.